Here we have a Kronen spin dryer, Alard item Y4424. It is the K50-ECO, which is in current nomenclature on their website, I think a KS7.ECO. They seem to be indistinguishable between the two. It is here in Alard equipment in excellent operational, mechanical, electrical, and cosmetic condition, and we're gonna dry some rather wet spinach with it here. This is a plastic basket spin dryer, which is specifically made so that you can easily just pick the baskets out by hand. It is listed for 10 kilograms, which is 22 pounds for us Americans, and easily lifted out of the spin dryer and or put in the wet lettuce and the dried, in this case spinach. You can lift out easily and dump it on your bag filling table. This is the basket holder. This spin dryer uses plastic baskets which are easy to lift by hand. It's rated for 10 kilograms, 22 pounds. The plastic basket is easily set into the dryer. It's activated when you close the lid. We don't know what the optimal setting is for spinach, so we set this fairly long and fast, but the water just drains out of a pipe in the back. And it runs smoothly and quietly.
That should be enough.
I guess. How dry do you want it? Like these are things for the customer to decide, but if you lift the cover, it'll shut the power off. Spin down quickly. And here you have, I think that's dewatered spinach.
I had it underwater, so.
And there we go. So that's the machine. It's a Kronen spin dryer, Alard item Y4224, here in stock at Alard Equipment Company. If you have any questions about any fresh cut, pre-cut produce processing equipment, spin dryers or otherwise, and you need to discuss your spin drying application or your fresh cut application, give us a call at 315-589-4511. And again, Alard item, if this is the thing, and these are hot, these are very popular items. This Kronen KS50-ECO is here in stock at Alard Equipment at the time of this video in excellent operational, mechanical, electrical, and cosmetic condition, available for immediate shipment from Alard Equipment in Williamson, New York.